How to fix Apex Legends integrity error 0x80002. So first thing you want to do is restart your PC and run Apex as administrator. Then, after rebooting, right-click on Apex Legends and then simply just select Run as administrator. Then you want to close the background softwares that may conflict with it. Make sure these specific apps here are all closed, like your DS4 Windows, MSI Afterburn, cheat engines, macros, autoclicker tools, keyboard, Steam, Discord, or NVIDIA overlays. Then you want to open the task manager and then end any leftover processes that didn't close properly. Then you want to disable the overlays temporarily for Steam, Discord, and GeForce. Then you want to reinstall or repair the Easy Anti-Cheat on Apex Legends. So just go to the folder, go to the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, select Apex Legends from the dropdown, and click Repair Service. Then you want to verify the game files via Steam or Origin. So on Steam, just verify the files, or on EA, just verify the files. Then you want to check for Windows Update or use Clean Boot Mode. So by opening your system configuration, go to the services, click Hide Microsoft Services, and disable all. Then you want to reboot your PC or restart it and try opening Apex again. And then lastly is installing scripting or modding tools temporarily. So if you're using any modding or scripting tools, simply uninstall them before launching Apex. And that's how you can basically fix Apex Legends integrity error.